Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This week we have got hold of the new Palovue SportSound Bluetooth 5.2 TWS earphones. Before we get into the review, it would be mighty appreciated if you could just take a moment to support this channel today by subscribing as well as clicking that bell notification option. Many thanks. Now these particular sports earphones today, let me just tell you guys, I've had loads of questions about them, lots of attention, and that's because appearance wise they come in that gloss apple green colour. They have a knife-edged TPU nylon ear hook design that simply hook around your ears just like so, feeling initially comfortable, and you know what, quite cool against my skin. The Palovue earphones do come in a black colour tone too. Each earphone has a 13mm dynamic driver unit, CVC 8.0 noise cancelling dual microphones with physical volume buttons sitting to the top, as well as touch control features too, that consist of previous and next track selections, play pause call answering, and voice assist. Within the earphone package you will get a very light but beautiful tree pattern charge case. As you can see, there's that Palovue logo central, a Type-C charge port to the rear, a sturdy magnetically sealed lid with a 4-segment charge case LED indication, which you can check out the remaining battery level with a simple tap of that central button, and yep, we do have those deep embedded charge sockets, which pull those earphones in magnetically and quite confidently. Okay, the charge case, people might think that it is a bit big, but compared to other sports earphones, it is indeed slimmed down somewhat. Now we do get a Type-C charge cable provided, a very simplistic user manual, which has a QR code inside so you can download that supported app, and we have plenty of silicone ear tips provided too, that basically when you have swapped them out to the correct size ear tips for your ears, well they will help keep the earphones locked in place with a bit of a better sound seal. So we have indeed had the opportunity to test these Palovue sports earphones out for a good couple of weeks now. First of all, it is advised to go ahead and scan that QR code within the user manual as mentioned. It will provide you with simple fitment and pairing tips, which by the way is super fast, basically as soon as you open the charge case. And that fast sync to your mobile phone is thanks to that QCC 3040 Bluetooth 5.2 chip internally. What is good about that supported app is not only will you now have access to set all of the touch features to your preferred controls, but you will also have access to set the microphone to a single pin microphone or use the dual environmental noise cancelling microphones for making calls in busy environments. Music quality, well initially the audio wasn't too bad. I did find them quite loud at times, but the levels did sit a bit flat too. But hang on, because we did go over to that collaborated app. We went ahead and adjusted that built-in equalizer, and within a minute or so, the audio was dramatically improved, being able to lower those midtones slightly to now experience some smooth flowing music. The mids and highs now sit real good, with good impactive treble, pristine lows, but to be honest, the bass is just above average. It doesn't sound that deep, but I'm glad to see that they don't go along with the rhetoric of other rival companies by simply throwing in a load of bass just to cover all the other poor tones. I did find myself using these earphones during the day, especially within my day job, and not only did they stay relatively comfortable in my ears, quite snug in fact, but the controls were easily to blindly master. The only thing I will point out is because these earphones have that glossy surface and touch controls built in, when you are working out and you get droplets of sweat dripping down the side onto those touch controls, well obviously because of the sensitivity of these touch controls, well now and again when you're playing music it will simply skip tracks automatically, which can at times be somewhat annoying. Nevertheless, I will indeed state that these are IPX5 sweatproof only. Nope, not fully waterproof, so basically they won't be good to run around in light showers. But one thing I will say is music usage time with these earphones is quite handsome. That is while consistently using 100% volume. We did get 3 hours 10 minutes use after blasting out loads of classic hip hop throughout the day, and the charge time is very convenient too, with 1 hour 45 minutes for a complete charge after placing them within that charge case. That does by the way provide you with an extra 23 hours worth of power boost while on the go. Connection wise, we didn't experience any massive issues or problems when out and about in open spaces, but we did find that while indoors, the very next room was as far as you could go, so indoors the range is not far. But when it came to using those ENC microphones, well, here's an example of the quality. So guys, as you can tell, the microphone quality with these earphones is real good. Nice, crisp and clear voice pickup. And by the way, latency isn't an issue too. As you may notice, my lips have in sync with my voice just now. And yeah, pretty good for voice recording and video recording too. Nice. One last thing I'd like to say is that there's not much in way of noise cancelling. That is when playing music or making calls. The only sound seal you really get is when you swap out those ear tips to a bigger size ear tip. Nevertheless, I do like the way these earphones look. They are real bold, nice and bright. But do you know what? I really love the slick design. The audio is nice and loud, above average audio. That, by the way, today, these earphones will cost you as little as £30. That's around 39 in US dollars. I'm not going to tell you how much it is in rubles because I'll be here forever. Yeah. Now, if you want to check these earphones out for yourself, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below. If you've liked what you've seen in this video, why not go ahead and go get yours. But please guys, it'd mean so much if you support this channel by liking and sharing this video today. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all our new uploads. It's been fantastic reviewing these earphones this week, and we've got a few more audio products coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!